Hi guys, it's Dave from Boombox here in Barton. On today's show, microphones. What it is, what it isn't, and how to use it. Okay? This is pretty simple, guys, but we see it every single show, every single place we go to. People are using microphones incorrectly. Let's try and fix it, eh? Not just for us, for the crowd, for the people, and for yourselves. This here is a microphone. It doesn't matter if it's wired or wireless or whatever. The rules are all the same. This bit is where the noise goes in. This part at the bottom is used by the microphone for active cancellation, yeah, and should not be covered. This is not allowed. This is not correct technique. Nothing on this microphone is a handle other than the handle. This is how you use a microphone. You point it at your mouth. You don't work over here. If you're trying to do the Tesla,
do the Tesla,
yeah, that doesn't work tremendously well. All you're doing is you're making the sound engineer be annoyed. Yeah, singers should have good mic technique. Rappers, that's why they always sound horrible. Okay, so 4 to 6 inches from the mouth, essentially. Yeah, that is about standard. If you're in a very, very loud environment or you have a particularly quiet speaking voice, you could maybe come a little closer. So, like this. And a particularly good rule of thumb is if you're using a Shure microphone, if you can still see the logo under your hand,
it's good.
Chances are it's going to be somewhere near right. This, perfect. This, not perfect. This, perfect.
It's all dynamic range. Yep.
You will find some singers have lots of dynamic range and they can move the microphone in and out. This is advanced. Yeah. If you're doing karaoke at the pub, no need. You're not Celine Dion, so stop it. Okay. So basic mic. 4 inches, 6 inches works perfectly. Cupping the mic, not allowed. Anything else, you're a bell end, so stop it.
And don't tap them.
And this,
and don't drop them.
and this mic drop, yeah, those are the mark of the fool, so stop it. Otherwise, I'll send the boys round.
Run away, Dave.
Okay, microphone, hold like this. Talk, sing, etc. When you finish with it, hand it back to the stage crew or whatever. Yeah, no mic drop, no banging, no putting in pint glasses upside down, etc. Yeah, that is it. This is a handle.
No swinging it from the cables.
Yeah, there's no need for this. And another thing, just a quick one. If you're not used to using a microphone, yeah, you then never stand in front of a speaker like this with a microphone. Alright, so I hope that's cleared that up. Talking in here, cancellation through here. Anytime anything other than this is wrong. Yeah? That is right, that is right, that is right, this is right, that's okay. Yeah? This, wrong. This, wrong. This, wrong.
Anywhere else.
Yeah, all wrong. This is correct.
That's mainly just to make sure it propagates correctly. It gets
You're allowing
reinforced.
the microphone to work.
Yeah.
The people who designed this microphone are pretty clever. Yeah. You can undo all of their good work by just holding it like this.
Yeah. It sounds extremely muffled then. Yeah.
All the work that they did to make this, which is a Beta 58, yeah, very, very high quality microphone. By doing this, you're not allowing the microphone to work. Alright, so I hope that helps somebody.
Thank you, Dave.
See you again.
Have a good.
Boomboxevents.co.uk. Don't forget, please like, subscribe. Make sure you press the bell button to get our latest videos. And I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-da.
Bye.